Welcome to Career GPS, a new feature in ConnectsBlue that maps out your roadmap and tells you exactly what you need to study to get to your dream job. Type in your current role and target role and click Generate Roadmap. After clicking Generate Roadmap, the courses you need to study will be displayed with multiple online sources like YouTube and Coursera to study from. The courses you see are handpicked to make you reach your destination. We also have capstone projects that make you do real-world based projects that strengthen your foundation and confidence. Once you have reviewed the courses available, click Start Journey. You can measure your performance through our performance monitor that shows you key details like your overall score, total number of questions answered, and total time spent. We also have badges that reward you as you progress along your journey. Well, what are you waiting for?